Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nisrina.
And I'm Fania. We will accompany you for the next 5 minutes or so on our special news broadcast.
Tonight, we bring you two stories of triumph and adversity. The first is about a motorcycle theft happening in Cempaka Putih, followed with a student who succeeded in winning an international mathematics competition.
Let's begin with a motorbike theft happening in Cempaka Putih, Central Jakarta. The victim, XI, was cooking at the moment when she noticed someone sabotaging her gas lock. Here we have Destin at the spot interviewing her. Destin?
Thank you, Nisrina and Fania. I'm here in Cempaka Putih, specifically at XY house. I'm joined by the victim who will share her experience. Miss XY, can you tell us about what happened?
Thank you for having me. It was a regular afternoon. I was cooking when it happened. I heard someone fiddling with my lock, and when I went to see it, my motorcycle was already outside my gates.
That sounds terrible, Miss XY. Can you tell us what you saw?
I saw that the thief was wearing a cap and a mask. I immediately called the police, but the thief managed to escape before they arrived.
Thank you for your time, Miss XY. Currently, local officers are still investigating the incident, and we hope the thief will be brought to justice soon. Back to the studio, Fania.
Thank you, Destin. Now we turn to a heartwarming story of academic achievement at Garuda High School.
A young student, Fatia, has achieved a remarkable feat at the International Mathematics Competition in Singapore, putting glory in Indonesia's name. Here we have Lafida on the spot, talking with our champion.
That's right, Nisrina and Fania. I'm here at Garuda High School, where the atmosphere is electric with excitement. I'm joined by Fatia, who has emerged as the international champion in mathematics. Fatia, congratulations on your victory.
Thank you so much. It's an incredible feeling to have won the international math competition. I couldn't have done it without the support of my teacher and my family, of course.
Can you tell us about the competition and how you prepared for it?
Well, it required a lot of dedication and practice. I spent months preparing for it with the guidance of my teacher and my coaches.
Absolutely. What message do you have for aspiring young mathematicians out there?
I would like to encourage all students to pursue their passion and never be afraid to try. With the determination, anyone can achieve their goals.
That's truly inspiring. It's a great reminder that determination and passion can lead us to success. Thank you, Fatia, for your time. And once again, congratulations on your achievement.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Nisrina and Fania, back to the studio.
What an inspiring story, Lafida. Thank you for sharing it with us.
And that wraps up tonight's special broadcast. We hope you found these stories both inspiring and informative.
Thank you for joining us. Have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you next time.
Masya Allah, cantik banget ya Allah, Akbar, cantik banget.
Happening in Cempaka Putih, Central Jakarta. The victim, XI. Cepet banget anjing. Cepet banget ya.
Gitu aja sih, gini.
Tapi kayak ngegenggam banget gak sih?
Gini.
Spot interviewing her. Destin?
Apa?
1, 2, 3.
Belum di record sekarang.
Well, it required a lot of definition. Kan ada telepon.
Mohon bersabar, ini ujian. Mohon bersabar, ini ujian. Ya Allah, aku pasrahkan diriku sepenuhnya pada saat ini kepada penguasa langit dan bumi. Kalau aku ikhlas, ya Allah.
I'm joined by the victim who will share her experience.
Rawr.